In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account on a desktop. Now, whether you're looking to take a break from social media or completely remove your presence from Facebook, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all the settings you'll need. Next, in the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on this, and it will expand to show more options. From these, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook account. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Account Center. Click on it to proceed. This is where Facebook has centralized account management to make it easier for users to manage their accounts across its services. Within the Account Center, find and click on Manage Accounts. This will take you to another section where you can make changes to your account settings. Now, look for the option that says Manage and click on it. This step is crucial as it leads you to the deactivation and deletion options. Now, you should see an option labeled Deactivation or Deletion. Click on this to move forward. This is where you'll have the choice between temporarily deactivating your account or permanently deleting it. Since we're focusing on deletion today, let's proceed with that. After clicking on Deactivation or Deletion, you'll be presented with the option to delete account. When you select this option, Facebook will prompt you with some information about what deletion entails. It's important to read through this to ensure you're making the right decision, as account deletion is permanent. Once you've confirmed that you want to delete your account, you'll need to click on Continue. This will initiate the deletion process. Keep in mind that Facebook provides a grace period, during which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. And there you have it, your Facebook account is now set for deletion. Remember, this action is irreversible after a certain period, so take a moment to be sure this is what you want. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.